For G click, learn G trick. C1 by C0 plus 2C2 by C1 plus 3C3 by C2 plus dot dot NCN by Cn minus 1. Which of the following four options is the correct value of this expression? And this sum came in EIEEE 2002. Now let us assume n equal to 2. So we know 1 plus x to the power n equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2 into x square plus dot dot dot. So if we assume n equal to 2, we get 1 plus x square equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2 into x square. So expanding this, 1 plus 2x plus x square equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2 into x square. Now comparing, we get C0 equal to 1, C1 equal to 2 and C2 equal to 1. Now for n equal to 2, we just calculate these two terms. So C1 by C0 plus 2 into C2 by C1 gives C1, that means 2 by 1, plus 2 into C2, that is 1, by C1, that means 2. So we get 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now we have to check which of the following four options gives the value 3 for n equal to 2. Now if we put n equal to 2 in the option D, we get 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2, so we get 3 here. Now which matches with this? So D is the right answer.